Hello, sir. How are you doing?
I'm fine. My name is Cletus. I'm from Nigeria. I came to India for medical treatment.
Okay, sir. How did you know about come to know about Anavara?
Yeah, a friend of mine introduced me to Anavara through Catherine in Nigeria that works for Anavara. So they introduced me to her. That was how I get to know about them.
What services did they provide in your country, Nigeria?
Yeah, according to the discussion I had with Kate, um, she told me that Anavara provide they provide healthcare. They are health tourism experts in Nigeria, so they connect people that need medical assistance to India, and they they will send the person to India for the treatment.
What services did they provide? How did they help you?
Yes, the services that they provide started from starting from the time I get to know about Anavara. They took over the control the from the time I was going for visa interview. They book appointment for visa interview. They took me to the venue, that's to the embassy. They followed me up until after the interview. By the time my visa came out, they went there, get my visa, and inform me that my visa is out. So from there, they pick the issue up till the day I was to travel. They booked my flight and informed me on the date of my flight. Mine is just to and come down to the office, and they will take me from the office there to the airport. From the airport, at the entrance, where the at the entrance they took a picture of mine, the cloth I was wearing, and they sent it across to my contact people in India. So when I got to India, it was actually not difficult for me to be identified by the contact person, by another contact person in India. So from Delhi, I contacted Anavara person, Anavara staff, who took me and take me over to the local wing of the airport, and I moved from there. When I got to Chennai, I met Anavara staff. Still not difficult to identify me, though it was in the night, but I was identified very easily. And he took me from the airport to where I'm staying, and actually I obliged. I was happy.
Uh, what facilities did Anavara provide you in the destination country, in India?
Yeah, when I got to India, um, from the house, they booked a cab for me from here to the hospital, and they went together with me to the hospital. All the processes in the hospital, they were there making efforts to ensure that everything went fine, and actually the whole thing went fine. Then the operation started. Then after the first surgery, the second surgery, they were all there for me at all time, trying to encourage me and ensure that everything is fine with me. And even when it becomes a little bit difficult for me to foot my bill, Anavara came up to assist me with the bill. Then when the money comes to me, I repay them back. So that was excellent, and so many other things that I may not be able to mention here. Not to forget that they gave me phone and recharge the phone so that I'll be able to communicate with my people, because my SIM here is not working. So they gave me a phone that I use to communicate to my people and friends so that I'll be able to connect with the outside world. So back in my home, it was as if I'm still at home. So I communicate with my people off and on.
How was the hospital service?
The hospital service is excellent. They did everything they can, from the surgery, the treatment, the medications, the services of the hospital doctors and nurses, and the admin is superb.
Were you happy with the hospital treatment?
Yes, I'm happy with the hospital treatment. I'm happy with the hospital treatment. There are some other things that we are yet to be done, but the hospital treatment is very okay.
We do have competitors. In your opinion, do you think anyone can provide such services like what we have provided?
Well, I don't think so. I don't think so, because though I have not met some other people or some other company, but the Anavara that I met is encouraging, and I will advocate for them. I will advise anyone that needs such medical treatment to contact Anavara.
Will you recommend once you are back home?
Definitely I will. I will recommend to anyone that needs such treatment. As I have your contact already, I will.
Any other word of advice for us if we can improve our services?
Well, the services that you render is good. Is up to date. I don't think I have any further recommendation for now. I don't think so. It's up to standard.
Message to our viewers.
Well, to all viewers around the world, I want to encourage each and every one of you. When you have such situation, or you know anyone that have such situation, as from eye problem, kidney problem, any of these ailments that seems to take life, please contact Anavara as soon as possible. Delay is dangerous.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.